The trees are better listeners than any human has ever been. They don't interrupt when I speak and don't criticize my dreams. The wind is a better comforter than any of my friends. It rustles leaves into lullabies and wraps me in the hug of its hands. The sun is too superior to even be compared. It showers me in infinite warmth when others never cared. And the creatures keep me company, so I don't feel alone. Nature always welcomes me and tries to be my home. I feel heard, I feel protected, and I feel loved. When I disconnect from nature, it feels like the sparrows no longer roam free. The wind isn't calm for me no more. I dream of days when the rain would cease because the sunlight doesn't wait for me now. The raindrops embrace me until I cannot breathe. They tell me that I let you down. When I don't go outside, too many thoughts invade my mind. People are too loud, silence is too quiet, and what makes it all worse is that I can't see. Well, I can, just not very clearly, so the fear of being blind constantly crosses my mind. Admittedly, I have deteriorating sight, but being around nature makes me realize that the universe was made just to be seen by my eyes, but also experienced with all other senses. Felt by my skin, heard and whipped. How rare and beautiful it is to simply exist.
How rare and beautiful